Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield wipers on an Infiniti G35. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield during the replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button on the connector where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. It should detach quite easily. Remember to hold the wiper arm securely throughout this step. You do not want the metal arm to accidentally snap back and strike your windshield, which could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it is time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and carefully slide its connector onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, which confirms the blade is securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Be sure to do this slowly and with control. Finally, repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your Infiniti G35 and test them using your windshield washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to inspect your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months and replace them as needed. This simple maintenance keeps your view clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.